Alrighty guys, chicken coop update. We brought the team in today. My brother, Emily's here, my dad.
Yep.
We're just blitzing this chicken coop because it's our last weekend before they come. So we're gonna be giving you updates as we go. But it's snowing now, yeah. Expect big things by the end of the day. Okay guys, long day of work here, just mostly wrapping up here. Last few tasks for the day. Emily's painting. Nesting box is built. Roofing post in. My dad's pouring some concrete to fix this up. Mesh on. It's gonna be a door. Yeah, my brother got all this dug out, so you can walk all the way through now. Still got to sheathe that wall, but you can walk all the way around now easy. That's miserable, but the day's almost done.
Fading away.
Right? Yeah, not much left in.
We got finished something? Yeah, I poured all in there. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay, guys.